Howdy y'all, welcome to Uptown Dallas. We're standing in front of the AMLI Quadrangle. This is a mid-rise that's in kind of the midsection of Uptown Dallas. And what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna take a walking tour by video. I'm gonna show you the AMLI Quadrangle's pool. I'm gonna show you their amenities. We're gonna take a look through a model or two, and we're gonna get you just a great feel of this area. But before we do that, we're actually going to walk around and check out the area so you can get the vibe, just kind of, you know, what it's like. So I'm going to walk and give you just a peek of this area, and I'm going to talk to you about it too. So this is located at the corner of Howell and Vine. This is what I would call kind of an inner Uptown location. When I say that, what I mean is it's not right on McKinney Avenue, which I think is cool in a lot of ways. McKinney Avenue is actually right up there. We're going to walk to it so you can see it. And by the way, I hope you're noticing there's a trophy fitness center here. There's all sorts of cute shops and restaurants all around here. And then it's really a super walkable trip to get to McKinney Avenue, which is right over here. Once you're on McKinney Avenue, there's so much you can do. There's restaurants, nightclubs, shops. So McKinney Avenue is the heart of Uptown, and literally that's it right up there. We're passing a Jimmy John's over here. We're passing a smoothie factory. We're passing Palm Beach Tan. So you've got great stuff that's along here. There's a Starbucks right over there. So you would just be 2 or 3 minutes, from this Starbucks. But now we're actually on McKinney Avenue. So from the AMLI Quadrangle, which is just back there, we just walked it. We're on McKinney Avenue. So my point is, McKinney Avenue is the heart of Uptown. It goes through Uptown, and you would be in walking distance to catch all of the cool stuff on McKinney Avenue. And you really can walk or use public transportation. You see those steel tracks in the middle? That's where the trolley comes through in Uptown. That's a free trolley. And oh my goodness, I did not plan this, but look, right up there, you're actually seeing the trolley come through. So this trolley is free. It's donation based, so you can donate whatever you want. You don't have to, but it's right there ready for you. It runs regularly, and it will take you all through Uptown, and it actually goes into downtown. So if you work in downtown, even part of the time, it's a great way to get up to downtown and then not have to pay any parking fees, because you could catch it pretty close to here, and then you could take it to downtown, and like I said, not even need parking, pay $20 in parking. So this is a great location, y'all. I'm gonna walk just a little bit more just so you can see it. This is a Monday morning around 10, so it's a beautiful sunny day, but you can still see people walking around enjoying. You see there's all sorts of shops and restaurants along McKinney Avenue. It's just a fun environment. This is over here is actually a great kind of a small coffee and convenience store. It's fun. Right here see that circular inline trolley? That's where you can actually catch the trolley. Anytime you see those, that means it'll stop for you. If you're there. If you need a ride. This is Dream Cafe over here. So this is a cool thing that you can absolutely walk to as well, and you can work from it like this young professional is. So anyway, this is the kind of environment you would see along McKinney Avenue, and this is just so walkable. This took me just minutes to get here, just minutes. And so there's that's the store I was talking about, the Foxtrot Market that's right across the street. So that's really cool. People are they're actually working from there too. So great environment for young professionals, and hope you've enjoyed it. I may actually walk just a little bit more so you can see just a little bit more. And then when I'm done, we're actually going to go into the AMLI Quadrangle. But this is so fun. There's another really famous place. It's been around for a long time in Uptown. It's called Avanti, and it's right over there. It's actually got jazz. That's really rare. So it's got jazz music. That's all super fun. Up here is one of Uptown's nightclubs called Tate's. So that's here. And then actually, if we go back in, this is heading back into where the AMLI Quadrangle is. So this is what I like about it is you've got kind of a neighborhood feel inside of here. So it's a neighborhood feel. There's houses, there's offices that are in houses, there's little shops like this. This is a lavish organic non-toxic nail salon. That's the kind of feel it's gotten here. It's really cool. There's a Witch, that's a chain, but then there's other things that aren't chains, like Cremona. This is in a house. It's Italian, it's pizza, and a bar that's always packed. That's a great place. There's Rocco's Pizza. That's another Uptown favorite. That's right up there. So great feel, y'all. And basically we've almost completed our circle. This is the AMLI Quadrangle still. And we started just